Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade on Webull, a popular online trading platform. To get started, you need to download and install the Webull app or access it through their website. Once you have the platform, create an account by providing the required personal and financial information. After your account is approved, you need to fund it by depositing money from your bank account or other financial institutions. The next step is to navigate the Webull interface, which includes various sections such as the watchlist, charts, and order entry screens. Familiarize yourself with these sections to efficiently place trades and track your portfolio. To place a trade, select the stock or other financial instrument you want to buy or sell, and then choose the type of order you want to use, such as market or limit order. A market order executes the trade at the current market price, while a limit order executes the trade at a specific price you set. For example, if you want to buy 10 shares of Apple stock, you would select Apple from your watch list, choose the buy option, and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. You can also set a limit price to control the price at which your trade is executed. Webull also offers various trading tools and features, such as technical indicators, charts, and news feeds, to help you make informed trading decisions. You can also set price alerts and notifications to stay up to date with market movements. Best practices for trading on Webull include setting clear investment goals, diversifying your portfolio, and using risk management techniques, such as stop-loss orders. It is also essential to stay informed about market trends and news that may impact your trades. In conclusion, trading on Webull is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of the platform and trading concepts. By following these steps and using the various tools and features available, you can efficiently place trades and manage your portfolio. Remember to always prioritize risk management and stay informed to achieve your investment goals.